Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be continuing the Zodiac Makeup Challenge series. So today I'm going to be diving into the water signs, and I'm going to be doing the Pisces look today. So like I said, Pisces is a water sign, so it has to do with the ocean, and it is represented by two fish. So I think this is going to be an interesting look that we're going to do today. Okay, so let's see what colors we're going to be using. So AskAstrology.com says that Pisces colors are generally ocean colors such as blues, greens, grays. So just like I did in the Leo video, I told you guys a little bit about Leos, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about Pisces. According to Tarot.com, Pisces are very dreamy, sensitive, spiritual, compassionate, and empathetic. So I'm going to quick do my eyebrows. It's the same thing every time, so I'm just going to skip over that for you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, now that I'm back with my eyebrows done, we're going to go right into the eyeshadow, and not going to lie, I'm really nervous. I'm going to be trying something that I've never done before, so please bear with me if it turns out horrible. Oh well, I tried, right? Of course, I'm going to be going into Blue Blood by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So there's some blue and green shades in there. So we're gonna dig in with some of those. I'm gonna go in with Flourishing, which is this teal shade over here. And I'm just gonna pack that onto the outer eyelid and wing it out. Now that we put Flourishing in the corners, we're going to add Cremated, which is this dark teal shade, and put it right in front of that teal shade. I know that it's already a dark color, but I'm gonna go in with a black shade just to enhance that darkness right in the corner. So I'm gonna take the Alien palette and I'm gonna go in with Black Hole right here, but just a little bit. Now that I've done that, we are going to cut the crease in a circular formation. I don't know how to explain it other than that, but you'll see when I play it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Blue Blood right here. It is this light blue shade. And I'm gonna put that right next to that dark teal shade. Okay, now that we put down that light blue shade, I'm gonna go in with Blue Monday right here. This dark blue shade. Once again, I'm just gonna darken that up again with Black Hole from the Alien palette. Okay, now time to cut the crease again into a circular formation. I'm going to clean up the top. I'm gonna wing it out and make it look like a cut crease wing almost. So I'll be right back after I clean it up. I'm gonna go in with I'm Cold and just put that on the bottom lash line. And now I'm just gonna add that Power gray color right there as well. Okay, so for highlighter, I went in with Ice Tray with a little bit of Cullinan and put it on the inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna quick do my face makeup and I'll be right back. So now that I'm done with my face makeup, I'm gonna go in with lashes. I'm gonna take Crave Lashes Style Buttercream. Okay, so that's the completed Pisces look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching it. I really enjoyed making it. It was quite a bit of a challenge. I know this is a bit dark for what Pisces usually represent, but I think I got the ocean colors down. So I think it turned out pretty good. Leave me a comment and let me know if you like the way that this turned out, and let me know what your zodiac sign is. If you're a Pisces, that would be even better for this look. Don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!